Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Yes. CLE Societies KK CBSE School Chikkodi. Welcome back to EVS class. Dear children, yesterday in EVS class, what we learned? We learned revision. Yes. So today we will take revision class because of PT2 test. Okay. So see the first heading, question number 1. Question number 1. Match the correct shadows. Match the correct shadows. So match the correct shadow means ಸರಿಯಾದ ನೆರಳಿನ ಆಕೃತಿಗೆ ಗೆರೆ ಎಳೆದು ಹೊಂದಿಸೋದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ animal is crab. Okay. So crab shadow is here. Yes. So see the outer structure. Then you will identify the correct shadow. Yes. Then you have to match it. Okay. The first sea animal shadow is here. Yes. So you have to match it. Then second one is octopus. Octopus. Yes. Octopus shadow is here. Yes. So you have to match it. Okay. Then third one is fish. Yellow and red color fish. Okay. So you have to match it. The first one shadow. Okay. Then fourth one is, this is also fish, green and yellow color fish. Okay. So different type of fish. So see the outer structure, then you have to match it. The correct shadow is second one, fish. Okay. Then last one fish is completely different fish. Okay. So feature is different, color is different. Yes. So you have to identify the correct shadow and you have to match it. Okay. I will repeat once again, children. First you have to see the outer structure. Yes. So original picture and shadow picture, you have to compare it and you have to match it. Okay. The first example is crab. So crab shadow is here. Yes. So you have to match it. Then second one, octopus. Octopus shadow is here. The last one. So you have to match it. Then third one, fish. Okay. So third one correct shadow, third one fish correct shadow is here. That is first one shadow. So you have to match it. Okay. Then fourth one. Then fourth one fish is different color, different feature. Yes. So the fourth one fish shadow is here. So you have to match it. Then fifth one fish. This is also fish but different type of fish. Okay. So color is different, feature is different. Yes. So you have to identify the correct shadow and you have to match it. So like this you have to match it. Okay. Then see the second headline, fill in the blanks with the help box. Fill in the blanks with the help box. Okay. Inside the box, carrot, cucumber, onion, cabbage, potato and tomato is there. Yes. So which one is correct word, you have to write. Okay. The first one picture, which picture it is? It's a carrot. Yes. So you have to write it here, carrot. CARROT, carrot. Okay. Then second one picture, that is potato. Potato. Okay. Which one picture it is? potato. So write it here, potato. Potato spelling is Potato, potato. Okay. Then next one, which one picture it is? Which picture it is? It's a onion picture. Yes. So you have to write it here, onion. Onion spelling is O-N-I-O-N, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Okay. Then next one, which vegetable it is? Tomato. Okay. So write it here, tomato. Tomato spelling is T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Okay. The next one, which vegetable it is? It's a cucumber. Yes. So write it here, cucumber. So spelling is C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Okay. The first one, vegetable name is carrot. Second one is potato. Third one is onion. Fourth one is tomato. And fifth one is cucumber. Okay. So like this you have to write it. Then next, see the headline, help the animals reach their homes. Help the animals reach their homes. For example, lion is here. The lion home is here. So you have to trace with your pencil and you have to reach their homes. Yes. Then second one, bird. The bird is here. Then bird house is here. Yes. So like this you have to write it. Okay. Then third one, rabbit is here and rabbit house is here. Yes. Like this you have to write and reach their home. Yes. Then fourth one is, frog is here and frog house is here. Yes. Inside the water. So like this you have to write and reach their homes. Then fifth one is honeybee. Honeybee is here and honeybee house is here. Yes. So like this you have to reach their homes. Okay. So this is also activity. Then last one heading, question number 4, identify and color the bird. Identify and color the bird. So which bird it is? It's a peacock. Peacock is a national bird. Yes. Peacock is a national bird. Okay. So you have to identify the bird name and you have to write it here. Yes. Then you have to color it the peacock picture. Yes. So this is today's revision class. So you have to complete it 4 questions. Yes. So today's homework is you have to write and read one time in your 4-line EVS notebook. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Okay. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is today's EVS homework. Okay. So you have to write and read one time in your 4-line EVS notebook. Yes. So everyone should send homework. Okay. Thank you.